Hello guys, this is Bisai. Today our topic about one of the most important application based on the named reactions, correct? Both aldol and Cannizzaro reactions are involved in this reaction. So the question is, this is the previous JEE mains and NEET question, very important question. Very important question. Okay? So the question is, the number of aldol reactions that occurs in the given transformation is, correct? The given transformation is, this is the chemical reaction, acetaldehyde on arrow mark, both formaldehyde and concentrated NaOH, this product will be formed, correct? And the given options, first option 4, second option 3, third option 2, fourth option 1, correct? Now, based on, in any chemical reaction, any question based on the organic chemistry, any organic chemistry reaction, first of all, we have to observe acid, base, electrophile, nucleophile, correct? We have to observe the first condition is acid, the second condition is base, the third condition is electrophile, and the fourth condition is nucleophile. We have to identify first these four conditions in any organic chemistry reaction. We have to find out these four first. In these two, out of these four, the given reactant, whether electrophile or nucleophile, whether it is acid or base, correct? And the another reactant part, formaldehyde, correct? This is the formaldehyde, whether it is acid or base, either electrophile or nucleophile. And the reagent which is concentrated NaOH, whether it is electrophile or nucleophile, whether it is acid or base, that's we have to find first. Then we can go through mechanism, correct? In this reaction, we know that this is aldehyde group, correct? So this is what? Electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group. So for this electron withdrawing group, the adjacent carbon is alpha carbon, correct? This is alpha carbon. Okay? Now, these hydrogens which are attached with this carbon, so these hydrogens are called alpha hydrogens. So these hydrogens are alpha hydrogens and this carbon is alpha carbon. We know that the alpha hydrogens are more acidic in nature. So just I observed here these hydrogens are more acidic in nature. Okay, so first condition I observed. Next, is there one more possible? Is there any basic or electrophile or nucleophile? Yes, this concentrated NaOH releases OH minus ion. Means this proton will be attracted by this OH minus base. So one case solved. So first I am taking here OH minus ion. So this alpha hydrogen attracted by this OH minus, then it will be converted into CH2 minus charge and C double bond O hydrogen as usual, correct? So this is carbanion. If you take the other substance given here, that is formaldehyde. So H, C, double bond O, H. Now this carbon negative charge means electron rich species. So these electrons donated to this carbonyl carbon and these pi electrons moves towards this oxygen and this oxygen carries negative charge, correct? Why? Because here carbon having electronegativity 2.5, oxygen having electronegativity 3.5, correct? So oxygen is more electronegative compared to carbon. So oxygen always try to take electron density towards itself from carbon. So this carbon carries positive charge and that positive charge stabilizes with this negative charge. Okay. Now the negative charge will be remains at oxygen. So C double bond O H, here CH2 and again CH2OH, correct? H plus, protonation. After protonation, it will be converted into OH group. So we know that This is again carbonyl group, means electron withdrawing group. For this carbonyl group, this position is called alpha position, this position is called beta position. So alpha, beta. So what is this? Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is called aldol. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds. Hydroxy carbonyl compound, which is called aldol. Which is called aldol. This is aldol. So, is there any alpha hydrogens to go further aldol condensation? Yes. Here, two types of means here two more hydrogens also there. Those are two more alpha hydrogens. So, again two times aldol condensation possible here. So, 2 moles of formaldehyde and OH minus 2 times, correct? 2 times I am taking, and finally the product will be H, C, double bond O, and C, here CH2OH, and again CH2OH, and here also CH2OH. So for this, just I am taking equation 1, correct? So now the complete aldol condensation completed, correct? So what is aldol condensation means? The carbonyl compounds which are having alpha hydrogens, they undergo condensation in presence of alkali and they forms the beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds which is called aldol, correct? So now aldol condensation reaction completed. So for this named reaction, how many aldol condensation possible here? Here only 3 alpha hydrogens. So 3 aldol condensations only possible here, correct? But the final product is not this. So this is the final product. How can we get this is the final product from this reacting? This is what? This is aldehyde and this is the carbon, and this carbon having 3 types of CH2OH, and again formaldehyde with the OH minus. So this is 1 here. This is as usual I am taking, okay? So directly I am roughing this, okay? Now, based on here, is there any alpha hydrogens? No, correct? So there is no alpha hydrogens, but the reaction is possible. That is Cannizzaro reaction. The carbonyl compounds which are not having alpha hydrogens, they undergo Cannizzaro reaction, means both oxidation and reduction takes place in a single reaction, that is redox reaction takes place. One is oxidized product, another one is reduced product, correct? So out of these two, this OH minus attacks at which carbonyl group? That is very important. Here compared to these two, here this carbonyl carbon attached to this carbon, this is what? Electron donating group or plus I group. Electron donating group or plus I group. Means here oxygen carries 3.5 electronegativity, carbon carries 2.5 electronegativity, correct? So these electrons move towards this direction, so negative charge, here positive charge. Why? Because this is more electronegative. So always try to take electron density towards itself from carbon, correct? So these positive charge stabilize with this plus I group or electron donating group, correct? But here only hydrogens, there is no electron donating group or plus I groups, correct? So compared to this carbonyl carbon, this carbon carries maximum positive charge. So the OH minus attached at this carbonyl carbon compared to here, correct? Now H, O minus, here H, here OH. If you take one more OH minus, then this hydrogen also attracted by this OH minus. Then HCO minus and H here O minus. Then if you take this reactant species aldehyde C OH OH, OH, correct? Now these negative charge moves towards this direction and this hydrogen moves towards this carbonyl carbon and this pi electrons moves towards this oxygen. This hydrogen attached at like a H minus, that is hydride ion shifting. Hydride ion shifting, very important. H minus ion, intermediate form, very very important. H minus ion, hydride ion shifting takes place here. Now from this H, C double bond O minus, but here taking NaOH now, so Na plus, and one more product will be there, OH, 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 OH. So what is this? Pentaerythritol. Pentaerythritol, correct? So this product formed. So from here to here, this is Cannizzaro reaction, but the starting is aldol condensation. So in starting reactant species, how many alpha hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens only there. So 3 aldol condensations are possible in this given transformation, correct? So the final product is this one. So out of these two, this will be oxidized product and this will be reduced product, correct? This will be reduced product, this will be oxidized, correct? So this aldehyde converted into alcohol, this aldehyde converted into carboxylic acid. This is oxidized product, reduced product. So redox reaction, both oxidation and reduction reaction takes place in Cannizzaro reaction. So in this transformation, means in this reaction, 2 types of named reactions are involved. What are those? One is aldol and Cannizzaro These 2 named reactions involved in this application. Thank you.